Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and I have a super duper exciting unboxing video for you today. So I am fresh to the world of diamond painting, and I am loving buying all of the things, kits and accessories, and this is an accessory haul. So I have ordered from Add More Zest, and I love watching Rebecca's YouTube channel as well to see what she is getting up to. And she runs this company, and I was having a look on the website, and I treated myself. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather, so I treated myself to some goodies to cheer me up. So here we are. And I'll just get that out of the way because it's probably going to have my address on it. So we have a little business card in here for the candy box with a code for 20% off. So I'll go and have a look at that. I'm dieting, so I shouldn't really be encouraged to be spending any money on sweets, but there we are. And a little thank you note as well for the order. And then we have it packaged with some tissue paper. And let's open this up. Here we are. This is what I have ordered. So I'm just going to get all of this out of the box, and then I'll show you what I treated myself to. So first of all, I ordered one of the larger trays, and this one here. So I've got a few other different trays, but I'm just really struggling with the quality and the ridges and the spout to pour. So I thought I would treat myself to one of the trays from Add More Zest, and this one comes with a stopper in the end as well, which is quite handy. And yeah, I'm just really excited to give this a go. And there is a smaller one as well, so I think I might see how I get on with this one, and then decide if I also want the smaller one, because I might need the whole set, right? So I bought this, and then also to match, look at this, it's a little trash tray. I leave my trash drills on my desk, or on, if I'm diamond painting on the sofa, I leave them. I've got like a little table that sets up, I leave them on the table, and then I end up finding drills everywhere. So I'm really excited to get a little trash tray, and look how cute that is, because it matches, and I was hoping that was going to be the case as well. So that is the trays that I bought. And then I also bought some cover paper. Now when I did my first one, I peeled the cover back and I cut it in sections, and I did it that way. Every one that I've done since, I've literally just gone all over the place. I've gone, oh, I'm going to do this colourful bit, and then I go and do this, and the problem with that is I then end up getting my jumper stuck onto sections because I've pulled it back, and so I wanted to do something that was a bit more uniform, a bit more structured. In addition to that, I'll show you this one that I'm working on at the moment. This one. Now, this one is poured glue because it's got the plastic cover, but I don't know what's going on with this, because this is probably going to call me a liar now. This, you can see that is really difficult to pull back, and I don't know why. So when I go to take it off, can you see how much pressure I'm having to pull to get that off? It's not like that all over, so I'm really not sure why some of these plastic covers are so tough to get off, and I've ended up ripping one of them already. So what I wanted to do was to try out the squares and see how I get on with these. So I'm just going to test one of these out. Now, I'm not sure if these have a specific way that they need to go down. They look shiny both sides, so I'm hoping, but I'm not going to cause myself. See, this is where I'm gonna, you can see how tough that is to pull back. I really don't understand. So what I'm hoping to do is use these to section my painting off, and those lift up absolutely fine. Just make sure they don't, because I have seen some others say that they bought some papers of the release papers, and they've ended up sticking to their project. So those seem absolutely fine. So I bought those, and then I bought, oh, how cute is this? I bought a little cover for them to go in. I'm hoping to be able to just reuse these over time. And this is one of the Add More Zest little wallets to put them in as well. So we separate roughly half and half. They can go in here, and there's also space in here to pop some other bits as well if I wanted. So I'm just going to pop those in, and of course it's got to be pink. Everything I ordered was pink if there was the choice of it. So I can just keep my cover papers in here nice and tidy. They're not going to end up getting bent when I put them into my my drill pouch, my drill box. I love it. Now I have also got a Cricut machine, so I can personalise all of these to my own liking. So I think I might put my name on the side of my tray, maybe not on my trash tray because it's just tiny, and then maybe my name on the front of that as well. So I got those couple of bits, and then the final thing I picked up were these disc rings. So I know that they sell the journals, the logbooks on the website, but I am wanting to create my own so I can make it customized for myself. I have a planner, a punch already that punches the holes for these discs, but I didn't have any spare discs, so I thought I would pick up the discs. These are the 24mm ones. I thought I'd pick up the discs from Add More Zest as well, so I could I could make my own planner and then bind them, or logbook should I say, and then bind them with these rings. So yeah, that's what I purchased from Add More Zest. I love it. I'll let you know how I get on with the tray and also the little trash tray, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments. Let me know if you've purchased from Add More Zest and whether you recommend any of the other supplies as well, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.